You found a treasure?
I didn't even know we had one. Has it got fuel?
It's got something in there.
Yep. I am cleaning out this shed that has never been cleaned out since we moved here. It came filled with junk, and then we brought our junk and put our junk on top of the previous owner's junk, and now it is a mess. But we need it to actually be functional, so I'm taking everything out, we're sorting through it. Some of the stuff is garbage, some of it is like, you know, more like yard sale stuff, some of it's useful.
Some of it's my precious.
Yeah, some of it's pots.
Ian's got everything spread out. I think I've shown this shed a few times with it like overflowing. You open the door and everything spills out. So it definitely was an embarrassment. And there is some stuff back here that now that we've pulled it out, I'm pretty happy to have it.
Like what about this?
Well, I mean it depends. It depends what it was used for.
Yeah.
There definitely is stuff in here that needs to go so that we can better use this space, but I'm pretty shocked to see this pile that Ian has. There's a lot of stuff that's come out of here.
This is the post-sorted situation.
Do you want this carpet?
Even the rafters are filled.
This thing looks kind of cool.
I think that there's pool gear up there, is the story. So, what's that?
This is like pool chemicals. Yeah. They were supposed to take this. Same.
This is the type of,
No,
thing.
take a picture. I want to know.
Well, I don't know, it's too dark.
Okay. Just so I can look it up.
Ian found my hose. And look at all these. These awesome spraying tools that had been missing.
This cord has been hanging in that shed for a long time. Want to see?
Are they supposed to be like crinkle cut?
Yeah, when they're really high quality. Ripple cut!
Yeah.
We load this up with my Clover Seed. I wonder if I could put, I bet you I could put sunflower seeds in this. And then just plant the acre of sunflowers. Okay, but this, look at this. Awesome. Need this, because we need to prune our trees.
Yep.
Hole pruner. Yes, score. This is, it could be a score, but it also is disconcerting because this is like a backpack sprayer and these are nice. Like this would be like 150 bucks to buy. This is it would be awesome if it wasn't also potentially not awesome.
More awesome scores. A pack of light bulbs.
As long as we don't break them, they're a good score.
Here's our tools for children collection. Our mini shovels and mini rakes.
And just in case any of you guys wanted to pop over, we got all of our company shovels here. So anytime, just shoot us a message and we're glad to have you over to dig holes for us. Look what I found! Look what I found!
See in the shed?
Look what I found! We shouldn't get rid of this. This one's a keeper.
Yeah.
This one's a keeper.
What do you think, Bo? You gonna clear all the mice out for us?
What I want you to get for me, Ian, is I want 2 of those big water barrel type things, and I want to use it for putting our tools into. So then it's just like an upright bucket. Either that, or I want one of those like rack tote things that hold the like 1,000 liter liquid barrels, and then I want us to have it upside down because then it has like 1 foot sections, and then we have like a bunch of spots to put tools upright. But I want like you just put the handles in type spacing for all of our tools to get stored so we can quickly and easily grab the ones we need.
Nope.
Why? It's a good idea.
Nope.
What are you gonna do then?
I was gonna throw them on the ground.
Okay, roll up this cat. Roll up this cat. Roll up this cat.
Old-timey garbage there?
It's not actually old-timey.
What is it?
These are the extra tines for the rototiller that we don't have anymore.
Oh, actually?
The one that I exploded. I have no comments.
What about this owl?
No. We have enough owls. Do you want these?
Do they work?
They do this. I don't know if they do much more than
How
this.
poorly do they do that?
Their mouthfeel is gross.
How are these ones?
You know, they are at least very portable. So they get +1 for portability. For the pruner on the run. All keepers over here. Look at that painter's tape.
Well, I want the painter's tape, but I don't know about that foam. What's
Well,
the foam for?
this is like for the tops of like walls when you're building walls.
What is this, an iron lung?
Yep.
Here, show me
Polio
this.
prevention. This is an air pump, so it takes air from all around us, and then it spits it out this hose right there.
Yeah.
Yep, completely useless. But look at that cool gauge. I'd say we keep this. Huh?
This is good.
Yeah, this is good.
This is a right?
No,
What is it?
it's a It does this, and then I'm assuming this one, if it's not seized, this goes like that.
So it's a clamp. It's like a post clamp.
Yep, for the purpose unknown. But man, is it cool.
Okay, so that's in the donate pile.
There is no donate pile. There is only one pile. Pile.
Is that another one?
Yep.
Well, obviously, now that we have 2, we should probably keep them.
Yeah.
This goes in the keep pile. Cha, 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 cha. Right?
Yep.
Oh, so sharp. So sharp.
Hey, I sharpened that with my grinder at one point in time.
I feel like I could hit myself really hard without hurting myself.
Yeah.
Well, we learned an important lesson here. Ian is not responsible for sharpening of the tools. But this is key.
Yeah, that's how we get the
This is how you prune the tomatoes. Cha, 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 cha.
This project was a bit of a periphery project, not necessarily necessary for, you know, getting the farm going, but, you know, we kind of do need space and we need tidying up just to keep everything moving along and having like space to expand into. So a little thing like, you know, an afternoon to clean up the shed goes a long way when, you know, it means that we can take a bunch of stuff out of the shop area and put it in here. And then the shop's that much more open for, you know, building the cooler and the tool bench and stuff. There's just so many projects that we have that we need to keep space open and clean. And I feel like we're falling behind a little bit on that. but you know, a project like this really, you know, gets us jump started again. So pretty stoked to have it done, and tomorrow it's on to something else.